Hey guys, today we're going to make this cute little finger puppet here. He's got some nice wiggly arms and some kind of crazy hair, and now I'm going to show you how to make him out of stuff you probably have laying around the house. Alright, so here's all the stuff you need. Hopefully a piece of construction paper, a piece of regular old printer paper, a little bit of tape, a couple of markers, the roll from an old toilet paper roll, and a set of scissors. And if you don't have the construction paper, that's okay, you can use the regular paper too. So, first step, you take a piece of tape and the paper, kind of lay that right on the tube and put the tape on. And if you put your fingers inside and do that, you don't crush the tube. You may drop it, you won't crush it. And then what you want to do is roll it up. And when you get to right about here, you can take your scissors and trim off this piece, because we're not going to need that much. And then another piece of tape. Don't worry if it gets on there crooked, or if the paper gets on crooked, you can fix all that, no problem. And that's the first step. Alright, so stand them up. And it's a little bit crooked. You can see I've got a little bit right here that sticks out that's going to make it crooked. It's not really a big deal, but I'll show you how to fix it. You just come along and you trim off, going right around the edge like that. And now it should be just fine. Alright, so now we're going to make the arms. So what you want to do is you cut a strip of paper. It can be construction paper, or it can be regular paper, whatever you've got. Just cut a strip, any kind of width, and then you fold it. Fold it on like back the other way from the first one, like this. Squeeze the folds so they're nice and crisp. There we go. And now cut it about in half. Another piece of tape, and if you keep this seam towards the back, you can put one there. Put one there, and now you've got arms. Next step is to draw the face, and anything will work, but markers are the easiest. So you just come right along in here, 2 circles, and you can do a triangle for a nose, and then just like a banana shape for a mouth. And we're going to get fancy with this one. We're going to put blue eyes. And maybe some eyelashes. And there we have the face. You can do any way you want. It's up to you. And that's it. And the last step is to do the hair. You just take your tube, scissors, and cut. Down as far as the top of the tube. And there you go. And you can style it, you can leave it straight like this, you can can kind of bend it down if you want. You can do anything you want with it at all. You can even cut it a little shorter if you want. Whatever you think is the best way to do it. And there you have it. A couple of nice little finger puppets. You can make as many as you've got tubes for. And they can be a lot of fun. Why is it great to live next to horses? Because they make great neighbors.